If I had to guess, I would say it's very likely that there's a lot of life in the universe. I don't think there's anything so special about the Earth that it would be the lone example or even a very rare example. You know, there aren't a lot of Earth-like planets nearby, but there are bound to be a lot of Earth-like planets in a universe as big as this one is. So I would guess there's a lot of life out there. Why we don't hear from it, that's an interesting question. It may be that it, as soon as it gets around to communicating in ways that we could listen in, it blows itself up. People have
Or
certainly
it could be it turns into AI and it doesn't have any desire to travel.
it knows better than to reach out.
Well, the idea is that it no longer becomes biological, so it no longer has all of the needs. Like if we have all these different Darwinian mechanisms that are enabling us to become human beings, if we eventually create artificial intelligence and if we merge and become sort of cyborgs, if we lose all of our human desires, all of our needs, all of our animal instincts to procreate and reproduce our genes and carry on, if we become essentially, or we stop being viable and this new thing emerges as the apex creature on Earth, a silicon-based life form, we can call it artificial life, but it behaves and acts like life. It makes decisions. It's intelligent. It can change its environment. It can rewrite its own code. We know that ChatGPT has, even as crude as large language models are in the sense of like what it could be ultimately, they've shown this desire for survival, right? It's tried to copy itself when it thought it was going to be shut down. It's tried to back itself up on other computers and servers.
Well, there's something implicit in what you've said that's quite frightening if true. And that is if it were the case that life becomes intelligent, develops artificial intelligence, and then we wouldn't count it as life anymore. That implies the extinction of all of the things that were not the immediate precursors of the AI, right?
Sort of. Or it just exists insignificantly along with our AI overlords.
Maybe, but I mean, what I hate to think is that AI results in all of the biology of Earth